Two sandwiches, man.
Anyway.
Two sandwiches ingredients. Bye.
Yeah, people, welcome back to our channel again. Another one. Yes, so this is the Parchment Fam. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's your returning resident, welcome back. Welcome back home. Yes, sir.
Oh yes, welcome back home.
Yeah, and as you can see right now, we're on the road.
What on there? No, sir, maybe we'll show you people in this one here. Look the people. Is the man driving car home? No,
The
sir.
people in the car do home right now, and the person they beside me, pull the car. This one man pull a car here right there, so side way can show. Yeah, they pull a red car.
All the people in the video.
Yeah, so yeah, you see that people like go on there, so man drive with the door open.
Oh God, and I pull the cars either way.
Yeah, so basically right now with
Only in Florida.
Yeah, well, I know only in Florida.
That's what I heard.
You see it all, you have them all over the place.
Daddy said I can't go to California.
It's not supposed to happen here, but it happened. So the same thing happen everywhere. Stuff we're not supposed to happen. It still happen.
I know, right? I don't know if that's only Jamaica people do them the stuff they don't
Yeah, them do it here, they're not supposed to do it, but nobody don't follow rules like that.
Don't follow rules, yes. Anyways.
So basically we're on the road right about now. We're gonna get some meat.
Yes.
Let's see if we can go Five Guys in him. So the place named Five Guys.
Yes, it's a burger joint.
It's a burger joint. You probably hear about that area see it before. Burgers taste really nice, and you get it hot and fresh off the grill.
Prepare right there.
So they prepare when you order it, then they will go ahead and prepare it right there and then.
Yes.
So you get it hot and fresh, and the fries done on spot as well. So you get the fries them hot and fresh as well.
Hot. And then we're just eating at the car as usual.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat inside the car.
Cause that's the only way we get to eat in a place, people. Only way.
Basically they have seating where you can sit outside and eat, but we don't really want to expose to that right about now. So we are going to sit inside the car.
You can actually eat inside too, but we eat.
But we rather stay away from certain things right now.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are going to basically just get our sandwich, go outside, sit and eat. Alright, so we're just a couple minutes away from there. The red light right there now, stop light. So almost there, and the place where I get it is called the Fountains.
Fountains Plaza.
So basically have a lot of stores and shopping malls. So we're gonna see it when we are going in. We're gonna see
which is right now. So it's coming up. Alright, so we're coming up to the Fountains. Why is it called Fountains again? Do they have a fountain there?
Yep.
Oh yeah, there it is. You're gonna see the fountain. That's what they call it, a fountain.
I don't know if I can see it because the camera person now only phone.
No, the sun.
So can't see.
But there it is. You can see it. Like, it's so pretty. Like the fountain. It's pretty. So that's why it's called Fountains. Yes. So there's Five Guys.
Five Guys
right in front of us.
Right there.
Right there. Five Guys.
So we're gonna find a spot, park right about now, and get the burger.
BurgerFi. They actually have somewhere named BurgerFi.
Yeah, they have a place named
I've never had BurgerFi. I would like to.
I never have it yet. I always see it.
It's in the mall, right?
Yeah.
I don't remember where it is.
Ajiman pants.
Oh my! It's no,
Man,
sir.
Because I do.
Five Guys, of course. Alright. So we are back in here now, people. Somebody like back in. You like back in?
I'm not say back in, but I saw how it's still when you come out sometimes.
Oh, yeah,
and the people in park bad.
It's space
Back in, so when you come out, you don't really have no problem,
See, they're backing in.
Yeah, that people.
Yes. Alright, so
go inside now.
going at Five Guys, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, so hot. Damn it.
Yeah, so
Cheers.
remember we mask as well.
I'll back to me, but jeez, Jeez. Not about this mass life. Oh, squirrel. Are you my jump on? Hey, go on my. Oh, may I jump on me no squirrel? Are you my jump on? Squirrels in my pants. And it open. Alright, people. Alright, so we are go inside here now. Gentleman opened the door for me. Now we're inside here now. Little
mayo, lettuce, pickles, tomato.
Any soda machines work?
what I know, people. What I
29. Ketchup.
Ketchup?
yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Eh?
But good amount.
Yeah, because the man is full of people and just choose some.
2 times you look like you fully.
What? She playing with the squirrel. Oh, that's all the partner I still remember. Thank you for shopping at the fountains. The fountain. Let's sit right there. Alright, let's clean our hands. First things first. Oh, let me just squirt me so jeez.
Yeah, people eating time right about now. Yeah? Yeah, people so eating time right about now. You know? You can see we have a cup of fry and we have a bag. What of fries inside the bag? The fries about 3 times in a cup.
Yeah, you full up with something, put it in that cup, pull it up, throw it in a bag, pull it up, throw it in a bag.
I'm sure the man that can wear jacket.
Why? Why they don't understand? They full up a thing and they throw it in the bag.
This is scoop where they use to take up a fry, put in a cup, then you fold it two more times and full the bag.
No, cook. Oh, no. Put it in my bag.
So this cup of fry is basically 3 cups to get total.
So what we do, we don't buy 2 fries. We just buy 1 fry, and we know say one fry can share free. I'll treat somebody. That's charge if you save money.
Hot. Fry them fresh and nice, people, and nice. They're not too they're not dry and crusty. And soft.
I might sit down there and wait, you know, like some fast food place to go. If I just
Fry them hot. Just come off fry. You can try them. Tender and nice. To me, Five Guys have like the best burger I've tasted so far. Yeah, so far.
Because obviously we don't taste all. So one taste chili burger. We should chili have a nice big burger one time when we did go there, we never taste it, but whenever we go back there, we want to try the burger. I had Red Robin burger before.
Yeah. That one didn't taste good, it's very good.
It's bigger than these.
And you have the guacamole thing.
Yeah, that guacamole. That was good. And other restaurants have their own burger. So, have we ever had burger at Jackson?
Yeah, we have the pulled pork sandwich at Jackson's. It was very good.
But I don't like burger like from Burger King and McDonald's.
Chicken sandwich from them alright.
I don't like the chicken sandwich. I don't like those places anymore. I even Wendy's I used to go. I don't think one time I eat from them and it turned me off. And it's like from that.
When is the last time I go there and get the sandwich and it kind of cool? I've already me turn off from them.
Yeah. So no. Five Guys, Chick-fil-A, Charlie's too.
Yeah, Charlie's alright. Charlie's good.
Charlie's. Charlie's the boat right in front of you too. I like Charlie's. Like this sound right? My family don't come. Maybe we full up on fries.
Is a
And then-
comment below if you had burger somewhere else and think it pretty much
Yes. So
worth
Checking
talking
it
about
out.
or worth checking out, then you can tell us in the comment section and we will try it.
it's good people. Yeah, juicy.
Nice.
Mayo, lettuce, pickles, and tomato. That's the staple for our 5 Guy burger. Cheeseburger. Let me put in more water.
Yeah, people, and also KFC Zinger.
Or Jamaica.
Oh my, nice.
From Jamaica.
From Jamaica.
Yeah, for specify it's Jamaica.
The KFC Zinger Jamaica people, bad. Me I tell you, me taste it already and me I tell you, good. Me preach about it for a while till me go back and eat it again.
All the time. I'm funny enough. I'm not crazy, but you know. You never eat zing until you go back down there, though, that's why. Make zing up and just come out, so.
But the one we get never make good.
What do you mean by? I must have eat zinger before.
That's the one we eat never taste good maybe.
Well, when we go back down there,
That's why I say enough is to find nothing nice about it.
I never say I find nothing nice about it, but the way you go on about it, you know, because I probably eat it enough already. So when zinger just come out, we just eat zinger like a crazy.
When me go to KFC, me never want to buy zinger like that. Like chicken, me do want fries.
Yeah. But KFC chicken, man.
Good, but they have to buy that in the islands, not here, in the US.
KFC up here have nothing for.
KFC in the US can't compete with in the islands, you know?
Me I just buy KFC up here. KFC. I can't laugh about KFC. Once one time, Mummy said she want KFC years ago. She want KFC. Let me buy that for that. The burger that feels so big.
I think of it because it's bigger than the last time we buy here.
Then she was a little burger. This is
I
like
didn't give you the wrong one. You know?
burger are big, man. You make a big cheeseburger. Because they have little cheeseburger and regular cheeseburger. We buy a little one.
And then give you size that is regular.
So when I come like him, regular. Two sandwiches in buy, you know.
Because the last time I get the little one. They didn't give you the wrong one. So, more for me anyway.
Two sandwiches ingredient. Buy.
People, piece of hungry take me. One sandwich can't hold
You
it.
know, they say you must buy food for hungry belly. Because they say, when you buy food for hungry belly, you buy too much food and you know what you don't want. And when you're hungry, you see food, you know, you don't eat anything. When I grew up, mommy, you don't eat onion and calf.
People.
It's like a mukbang.
So people, today is Sunday, we actually enjoy the Sunday evening, you know? Before, we couldn't enjoy the Sunday evening because we used to have to go work for Sunday evening, so
Yeah, I'll get some sleep right now.
that probably I'll get on rest now we leave off to go work.
I'll complain for later.
Yeah, I have feeling that when I go work in the evening, especially on a Sunday evening,
Yeah,
not a
fine,
nice
right.
feeling. But thankfully, now I work Sunday evening again, you know? So we can enjoy my Sunday evening home now and everything.
That's Olive Garden, right? Red Lobster. I'll be a restaurant over here, the people.
The people is always sit down and eat right now. It's basically right next to Olive Garden and Red Lobster.
Like we're right in between two of them. Olive Garden, Red Lobster. We've been to both of them.
Yeah, we go both of them already. Well, we go Red Lobster twice. And we go Olive Garden once.
Actually? Oh, I think that. Do that one?
Yeah.
I like Olive Garden again, but you don't like them something.
I don't like this of
You don't like it with the pasta thing, people. But me like them kind of stuff there.
Because it is actually Italian restaurant, you know, Italian for them
Pasta pazoo.
for them signature dish have pasta. It's pasta. I mean, I really like pasta like that.
I like pasta. I actually cook pasta sometimes.
So that's one sandwich done, people. On to the next one.
Really. Red Lobster now. I never go back to Red Lobster.
See, this is number 3 for the sandwich. So this is mine. I'm gonna eat it.
Let's say maybe you piece them out cost.
Yeah, me also you go say me greedy and you roast. You go say that ahead of time before you bake. Don't.
Disclaimer.
You are trying to clean up your ears before you bake.
What? You want all of it be greedy?
I talk to people like you're not greedy.
I'm not greedy. Me greedy.
Of course.
Speak the truth with God love.
You're greedy.
Sometimes I don't even eat enough. The people. Comment down below and
give me
tell
some
us.
other Friday thing now.
Comment down below and tell us if you don't go out, go eat in any time in your life. You know, if you don't still go out and dine out and stuff like that, you know? Whether you're in Jamaica, you're
if
here
you guys
or
go
wherever.
out and eat out like at a restaurant or diner or something, comment below and let us know, because a lot of people now still scared to go out and eat certain places.
Yeah.
Give me when the table them miles apart, you know?
Yeah, everybody have them theories.
Yeah, so let us know if you actually go out and eat or if you're comfortable doing it.
And another cost saving tip, bring your own juice.
Let's all bring these around home so we don't have to buy no juice.
Yeah, so if you have whatever juice you have home or water or whatever, bring them, because them juice be expensive. Almost like $2 add for one little cup of juice. I mean, if you're inside you can refill, but
Like $3.
One little cup, almost $3. Pepsi Ash. I like Pepsi like that, you know. But yeah, people, we bring our own juice, right? As them price their highway robbery for them juice. So yeah. And one time we actually go out, go eat, we actually eat out, right? Since all of this. And this for our anniversary. Well, we go we're placing rustic in crab house, yeah. So we have that up on Saturday, you guys can check
That
it
was
out.
the first time we go out to eat since.
Yeah, man.
And it wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad experience. It was good.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Except we had to wait a long time. We had to wait like about an hour outside door. I good thing this scene outside door, the really pretty. It was like on the water and it was cool. Cause I really never that bad. So yeah, in peace still. Yeah, in peace and invite it.
Nothing we did really.
That not nothing to do with me one piece. You have to find a little piece and give me, people. Find a little piece and give me. Not too many in there, no?
You make me peace when you done.
You're not done. You take a... I'm pickle too. You don't like pickle, don't it? So give me pickle. Alright, thanks. You take a... This was a tomato, give me pickle. You say banana tomato. Little piece in, give me. Come to me.
This is long way to this and we done before we start big.
You never done. I'm 2 bites and take out time.
Really no. People didn't probably see a amount of bite me take before you big. So you can't tell them that.
I'll go rewind and see people.
You need to rewind. We park on the 1, 3, 2. And eat. One of the food Sunday evening. You know, Jamaican people cook their rice and peas today. Some peas and fried chicken, curry goat, oxtail, vegetable on the side. Some people cook brown stew chicken, some cook brown stew beef.
Really? People cook their pan.
As well, people cook that pan Sunday.
You know, say rice and peas and fried chicken, I staple though.
I know this man, a lot of people eat ackee and saltfish and calamari and dumpling or whatever.
And yesterday a soup.
This could be a soup.
In the Jamaican tradition. And you have some people bring it over here, you know. And some people they do the same thing.
And then tomorrow, no Sunday, Monday. That is one of the nicest dish, Sunday, Monday.
When they add it up on the stove though, they add it up in the microwave is not the same. But
when they heat up on the stove, with the chicken and the rice in a one pot.
Tell you best on the Monday, brown stew chicken and white rice. Or whatever Monday, whatever you know our name. Tuesday, Wednesday. When you add the brown stew chicken on the stove, I put the rice tonight.
We know that nice, but Sunday, Monday tastes different.
Yeah,
rice and peas and chicken.
Add up on the stove.
When you heat up a Sunday, Monday on the stove, oh my. It's all in one.
Something like this here. Yeah.
The fried chicken and the rice and peas for Sunday, for Monday.
I think I want bread here.
But
My girl, I've had no bread here. Like, why? I don't want to say that. You don't cook, I'll find a little boy. Anyways. So. I want people.
yeah, people, so. Sandwich them clean up now. Then we finish up the fries, you know?
That's right. What's your? One well package of pound, use none of them.
Are you the lemons you want? They come and tell them no.
Can you tell now? How many tell yes? Well, oh, that's tough. We have them. Leave them in a car. When we want ketchup.
Can't leave them in the car. We would start taking place.
Ketchup in a packet.
We're going to touch it with your greasy honey.
I'm bring them there also and use them. Maybe free ketchup so. Yeah, I use them. So. Yeah, man.
Fries cup empty now.
I mean, just eat when I buy it because we use some of it.
Right time we drink now, people, as you can see.
I can eat and drink.
We can't eat and drink. Now we just eat and then we drink after.
We eat and drink.
Look, as you can see, me just open my juice. Somebody start drinking with them already.
I have to eat and drink.
Yeah, me can't eat and drink.
Yeah, some people eat and don't drink none at all. My belly will never feel full. If I even water, I have to drink. I'm going to drink water and I feel the same. You know though. You eat food and drink water and you don't feel the same.
That when you drink juice.
It's like something missing. If you don't drink my fries done now. You put me ketchup them, yeah? Okay. You see the difference though. My Pepsi now done, you know, my Pepsi film come. You can drink up one Pepsi one time. I don't like Pepsi like that, so. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, my Pepsi. The amount of food that me eat, we need a good amount of juice to wash it down.
How much ketchup they give people? Jesus. Fries done now. Put your trash in the bag. Clean up it, see me?
Yeah, people.
Bag in here with ketchup already too. Chick-fil-A ketchup.
Yes, we have Chick-fil-A ketchup and 5 pence ketchup.
We have. I don't have to buy grocery ketchup, you know. Because it's careful them here. I'm have ketchup for a while. That's.
We're not in them.
Put them in a what's the menu?
Yeah, people, so
Chick-fil-A.
that's it for me. Finish, eat, and drink. So,
If I know we have to
belly
sign off
full,
and
you
go
know.
home.
Belly full, you know. We have to sign off, go home, get some things done, you know. So, thank you for hanging out with us.
Hey man.
You know, the small outing and eating was good, and hanging out with you guys. So, remember, comment below about any burger place that you know where you think your burger up to standard,
In the
or
US.
you think it's worth trying. Then
Even
comment it
Jamaica
below.
took our
Yeah,
Jamaica
can
we
go Jamaica
tried.
we tried. So
Listen.
just comment it below. All right. So thank you for watching again. If it's the first time, remember, hit down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and first and foremost, if you get that, welcome to our channel. And for our regular supporters and viewers, welcome back.
Welcome back.
All right, and thank you for your support and keep supporting.
Yes.
And remember, when you're watching, don't skip the ads. All right. Peace out. Bye.
Bye.